What does it look like?
The entrance is blocked off by a
Oh.
You going up?
You better see on there.
Looks like. So there's pipeline.
About to leave, already packing. Come with me, I'm not really asking. We'll get away to a place where we don't know.
Good morning, everyone. It's about 8 in the morning. Happy Memorial Day weekend. We have made it to a Pillbox hike over on the North Shore. And really excited about this. It's gonna be a little muddy. Just time of year, it's always wet in the morning, but we didn't want to run out of parking, so we came here pretty early. Dogs are allowed on leash, so this really works out for us because we have the dogs this weekend, and there's no escaping. We don't have our house yet. We're still in the hotel. So yeah, we're gonna go have an adventure. We're gonna bring you guys along, get home. We might have a barbecue tonight. There's a little barbecue area for the hotel. So we'll see what happens. Okay, easy. Well, you guys we're goofing off, smelling trees. We got behind. Easy. Okay, that's it. Max, ease up, boy. Look at this. This is the perfect hike for Alex and Hailey because it's entertaining. If we were on a flat pavement right now, they'd be bored.
Careful. Some of those might be snakes.
Yeah.
I'm just joking.
Be careful, Hailey. And now, Daddy told me to be in the way first.
Just gotta take it nice and slow for the dogs. And that's hard to do because they don't like going slow. They want to race and run with their little girls.
Yeah. There was a big tree. They went in there.
This was used in defense of the island against the Japanese, Alex. Happy Memorial Day. Whoa! Ease up, ease up, ease up, ease up, ease up. Easy, boys. Don't throw me off the mountain. Look at that. Max Dookie, over. Hold on. Max Dookie, hold on. Hold on.
Let's see this. Okay, look at these pictures. It's crazy. That looks like a dragon and a penguin.
And then it's a wave.
Look at this. So in a month,
There you go.
in the ancient time, people used to live here.
Dude, ancient times. This is like your great-grandfather's generation. You're okay, Hailey? Alright, so we're going straight down like 200, 500 feet. Not sure exactly. Nothing serious. To the next bunker. This is crazy town. Huh? You want help, buddy? beautiful? All right, I gotta go. The dog's gonna go crazy. Being separated from family is like very high anxiety. Gotta get the drone out. Here comes the drone.
A new place, a new home. For a while, let me feel alive. Nothing to hold me back. Take my time, just enjoy the ride. A new man passing by. Life is good, best I've ever felt. Get me up, somewhere new, somewhere I can find myself. Oh, I feel so alive. As I reach out.
I love Hawaii. I love how relaxed it is. Just this adventurous place. I mean, you see so many people dirt biking on the road. Totally not street legal bikes. Whatever. But that's what I love about this place. Is just, I think the only thing they care about is where you park it. That's it. Just don't park in the wrong spot. Alright, you guys, welcome back to our humble abode, the Inn at Schofield. We didn't do too much videoing on the way down, I'm not gonna lie. I was holding on for dear life between the dogs trying to pull me down the trail and it being pretty wet and muddy. We survived with our flip-flops though, and it's totally possible. You just need to be sure-footed and a decent hiker and aware of what you're doing, I guess. What else? So it was wonderful, you guys, for kids. It was a perfect distance. I think it was 2 miles, 2.5 miles round trip. It was perfect in terms of, you know, the adventure part of it, actually climbing up these roots and rocks. And so the kids never even noticed that they were really walking for a while. Because if we were to walk 2 miles on a flat pavement, they would complain the entire 2 miles on the flat pavement of being either bored or tired and wanting to be carried, you name it. But at least with this hike, it really entertained them. So either way, you guys, happy Memorial Day. We're probably gonna go barbecue. And they have like a barbecue pit. Really, you know, I just got cleaned up. I was a sweaty mess. John needs to take a shower. He's pretty nasty. And so yeah, it was a good Memorial Day. It was nice to escape the being stuck inside our hotel room. We've got what, two weeks left until we move into our house. Halfway there. We got this.